Hi there, it's Carol with Carolbcrafts. Today I'll be sharing with you the details on my April Tea Together Club Kit. Now the Tea Together Club Kit will be available only for a short time through April 22nd, and the kits will ship out April 25th, just in time to get your cards made for Mother's Day. Now, even though these cards are specifically for Mother's Day, you could change these up to be for any occasion that you like if you just use a different stamp set. And in place of the Happy Mother's Day, you could put a Happy Birthday, thinking of you, hope you feel better, those kinds of stamps. So the Tea Together Club Kit is centered around the Tea Together stamps, which includes this darling little teapot and teacup and some beautiful flowers there to embellish with. I have used the Petal Promenade DSP, which is gorgeous flowers. Now the Tea Together stamps coordinate with the Tea Time framelits, which were a celebration item in 2019. These dies are not available at this time, but will be available the 3rd of June to purchase, so that if you purchase your Tea Together stamps now with the club kit, you can later on you can purchase the framelits. In the meantime, so that you can make these adorable teacups and teapots, I will include die cuts of them, enough that you can make 3 of each of these cards. That would be 12 total. And I'll also show you how you can use this framelit with your stamp positioner to you'd stamp your image on your scratch paper. You'd put your frame over the image so that it matches up perfectly. Then you'll put your die in there just like this, and you know how it is with your stamp positioner, it stamps in the same place. So wherever it stamped your image on the scratch paper, it is now going to stamp a perfect image on your die cut. So you'll be able to do your die cuts that way and not have to worry about the placement of your image. So let's look at the cards that come in this kit. We have Blackberry Bliss, beautiful, beautiful card here. Again, you could make this any occasion that you want. Another one with Calypso Coral, Flamingo, pink, Flirty Flamingo and Petal Pink. Gorgeous little card there. And then another one with Calypso Coral. So these are beautiful cards, beautiful floral feminine cards that you can make, and you'll get enough supplies to make 3 of each of these cards. Now in your kit, which has value of more than $14 retail, and the kit purchase price is $19. If you purchase the kit and the stamps, it's $43, and that includes all your shipping and tax. So you'll get your die cuts to make 3 of each card already cut for you. You will receive a half a pack of the Share What You Love Artisan Pearls. You'll receive some ribbon, and I have it so that hopefully it doesn't get, you know, all snagged in your shipping. So you'll get a yard of the 1/8 inch Whisper White sheer ribbon. You'll get a yard of the Fresh Fig ruffled ribbon. You'll get 2 1/4 yards of the Whisper White Petal Pink variegated ribbon, which is very pretty, very popular. And you'll get a yard of the Calypso Coral satin ribbon. That's beautiful too. So you'll get 5 1/4 yards of ribbon altogether. And then you'll get 3 very vanilla card bases already cut and scored for you. You'll get, of course, your DSP. You'll get 6 by 12 sheets of DSP of the Petal Promenade, and you can see it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful paper. That's the floral side, and then you have your marble texture side here for more subtle cards. And then for your cardstock, you'll be getting 11 sheets, 1 sheet of Very Vanilla, 4 sheets of Calypso Coral, 2 sheets of Blackberry Bliss, 2 sheets of Flirty Flamingo, and 2 sheets of Petal Pink. And again, that's enough to make 3 of each of the cards. Or if you want to just venture out on your own and use the supplies to make your own cards, it's still a great value. So those prices again are $19 for just the kit, or $43 for the kit and the stamps. And remember, you will be able to purchase those dies June 3rd in the new annual catalog that's coming out. So if you are interested in purchasing the Tea Together Club Kit, remember that the materials kit itself is has over $14 in retail value that you can purchase for $19. Or if you want to add the stamps and the materials kit, it's $43, includes all shipping and handling. Email me at carolbcrafts@hotmail.com and I can send you an invoice for whichever you want to purchase. Now, because this is a club kit, there are certain items that you will need to have on hand. You'll need some layering oval framelits, and you'll need regular Whisper White and thick Whisper White cardstock. The inks that you'll need: Memento, Tuxedo Black, Flirty Flamingo, Grapefruit Grove, and Blackberry Bliss. Now, any of these items that you see, you can add to your purchase of the club kit for the retail value of the items, no extra shipping or tax. You'll need light and dark Blackberry Bliss Stampin' Blends, light and dark Calypso Coral Stampin' Blends, light and dark Petal Pink Stampin' Blends, and light and dark Flirty Flamingo Stampin' Blends, and Old Olive, light Old Olive, and light Mossy Meadow. But you could get by with just light Mossy Meadow if that's all you wanted, to just have the one. And of course you will need your snail adhesive, your mini dimensionals, your mini glue dots, and your glue. So again, if you're interested in purchasing this club kit, available through April 22nd, email me at carolbcrafts@hotmail.com and I will send you an invoice for either just the materials kit for $19, the stamps and materials kit for $43, or if you wanted to add any of the items that you needed to purchase to color and cut some of these images, like the ovals, then you can add those at the retail price. Again, email me at carolbcrafts@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye now.